Okay, hello, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to just give you a little basic scratch tutorial. We're going to make this little guy over here walk across the screen and then walk backwards. So what we're going to do is start with a nice backdrop. I'll do desert. Okay, so now that you see the little cat over here, we can maybe edit him a little. So let's give ourselves the paintbrush icon over there and make your color black. If you didn't see me making my color black, I'll show you that again. So whenever you start using it, you'll normally find yourself on purple or something like that. So what we do to fix it and make it black is tap on this and just drag it to the bottom of brightness. Doesn't matter which color it is on. So now that we've got this color, we want to make our cruiser thingy a little smaller. So we just tap the down arrow. I'm going to get the scratch cat to have, about 6 would be good. Now I'm going to make the scratch cat have shoes. Now we will find that our little character is wearing shoes. Now we might want to give it, a hat. We'll get our little thing over here. Draw little bits of the hats. Now we're just going to make it look good. And maybe erase the top of the cat's ears just to make it a little easier. If it goes a little wrong and you erase some of your hat, you can just draw back over it and it'll be fine now. Now we need to draw the reflections. So and then we'll just do it on the other one. I'll just do this one a little faster because, well, you've already seen me do it the first time. We'll just draw that reflection back on. Okay, now we are going to get the shoes. And this one to paste. Okay, So now he's wearing his shoes. I'm just going to do the reflections. Okay. Now that we've got our cat ready, we'll have to make it walk forwards. So, we'll do, when the flag's clicked, well, let's just use one of the repeat 10 blocks, and let's make the 10 4. You just have to type it in. And move 10 steps. And then after that, maybe we can do the same on the other side, except he'll do a moonwalk. So with this move 10 steps over here, we are going to keep it like 10 steps, but add a minus before it. So that's minus 10 steps. Then when we tap I'll put it in full screen for you. Just tap the start button. Yeah. Needs to go a few more steps. So let's do that 8 times and 8 times. Okay, so that's good. Now, we need it to do the animations. So, we're going to do this in the same time. So, we're going to do repeat 16 times, because 8 plus 8 equals 16, I'm pretty sure. And next costume, and now it'll move like that. But the problem is that it's moving his legs too fast. So what we're going to do is go into control and see this wait 1 second. You put that just over there, and then you just have to make that 8. And then make that 0.5 seconds. Now, okay, maybe we can do 0.05. Well, first of all, we know that it's not going fast enough. So, if that's not working for you, that is fine with me, because you can just use 0.10 seconds. Try that. Let's try it again. And maybe 4. The reason why I'm counting backwards in 2s is because normally if you only move it by 1, it will only change it a teensy bit, and that won't work very well. Okay, so when he gets back, maybe let's include another character. As you see, I just pressed this button over here, which says choose a sprite. And And you can take maybe bear walking. First thing we need to know is that it's facing the wrong way. So what we're going to do is go into costumes and we're going to get the mouse, tap and hold, and technically do that, and tap flip horizontal, which will make your bear face the other way. Do this again on all the others. Turns out you don't actually have to select the things. Just if you want to be really careful, you can do flip horizontal. Now, bear walk A and bear walk H are supposed to be very similar, because that's just a little easy. So, at the end over here, we've got the last bear, and that's going to be the walking one. So, I mean the stand still one. So I think we're going to use that one as stand. But don't worry about the standing position just yet. So, when he finishes doing his walking, we're going into control and actually events and broadcast message 1. We're going to create a new message and say hello bear, maybe. So we've got the bear. So this is sending a message to bear like you would on Gmail or Outlook or something. So when I receive hello bear, now this is where it gets hard with the coordinates. If you're not very good with coordinates, you can just put it at the place you want it to be when it comes, and it'll automatically reset this bit over here. So you drag it to when I receive hello bear, and then we'll make it walk towards the cat. So we're going to go repeat 6, and we're going to do move 10 steps, and then we are going to do another when I receive hello bear, and that's going to be the animations. It's going to be just like this, except without the broadcast hello bear. So we'll get the repeat block, which is over here. Next costume. So this one was 0.10 seconds, but since this one has more frames, we'll have to do something shorter. Let's choose 0.05. So now, and also we need another script, which is when the flag's clicked on the looks, and we tap hide. So let's see if it works. Oh yes, there was a bug. So we also need this show button. When I receive hello bear, show. Now try. Why did it go back? Maybe we can put it on both. I wonder what's happening to him. Maybe we can do glide 1 sec to random position instead of walking. And we can move it towards sprite 1, which is also known as Kitty! So let's try again. Maybe half a second, or I wonder what's happening. What's he doing? Oh yes, 56. So you actually do 0.50. Hmm. $47 seconds. Maybe we can do something like this anyway. Then we do send a message, which is broadcast. And we're going to do chat. And Kitty says, when I receive chat, say maybe something like this. Something like that. And Bear will set, and she'll send another message. Let me just look at it. Okay. Broadcast. Reply and move, which means he's gonna reply yes or sorry or something, and then he's going to move back over here. So now, when I receive reply and move, he will literally reply and move. We go into looks, we look at say hello and take it to this script. Say sorry. And yeah. And he will glide 1 sec to back over here. Maybe we'll do something like this. We're going to do wait 1 second. We're going to start the script again. And perfect. Now, just telling you, this is a beginner's thing, so yeah. It's not gonna look the best, but yeah. Check out my other Scratch projects on the Scratch website. My name is Code and Play. I'll leave it in the description And also, you can check out my pixel art, and make sure to subscribe and like this video, and check out for anything else coming up.